Before this video starts, I want to say that I hope everybody is safe and well. A lot of things has manifested this year and it's been hard on a lot of people. I encourage all of us to be positive and stay strong during this time period. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I didn't film a proper intro for this video, so just stare at my feet for a few seconds while I briefly explain what we're going to be doing. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a DIY gel pedicure. Now the toes that you're looking at right now, this is not the after. You're probably thinking this is the after, but no, this is actually the before. So you're probably confused, like, why are you doing your feet if they look fine? But let me explain. Last week I tried to film this video and I missed out on a lot of important steps. So for today, I'm going to be recreating my gel pedicure, showing you guys everything that I do in full detail. So if you're interested in seeing how I complete my gel pedicures, then definitely continue watching this video, and without further ado, let's just get started. So the first thing that I do to remove my gel polish is I file off the top layer. This allows the acetone to remove the polish way faster. If I don't file off the top layer, I would have to soak for like an extra 10 minutes. So after I file off the top layer, I soak up my cotton rounds in pure acetone. You want to make sure it's pure acetone because if it's regular nail polish remover, you're going to be there for hours and it's not going to work. After you soak up the cotton rounds in pure acetone, place them on your toes and wrap them up in aluminum foil for 10 minutes. So once the 10 minutes are up, I start filing away the leftover polish. As you guys can see here, I'm also using my cuticle pusher to scrape off the polish as well. I'm making sure to be very gentle when scraping and filing because the polish is already soft. And if you're too rough, your nails will feel really weak. Here I'm filing my nails and shaping them square. If my toes were really long, I'd cut them, but since I did that last week, all I have to do is file. Removing the gel polish can cause the texture of your nails to be like uneven. It can cause lines and ridges on your nails, kind of resembling like a ruffled potato chip. So buffing out your nails will help smoothen out the texture. So this is the relaxing part where I unwind, soak my feet, listen to some music, and just chill. So as you guys can see here, I'm just taking this little brush and I'm just scrubbing my feet, making sure they're nice and clean. I'm also using this foot rock to make sure my feet are nice and soft. I do this step every day in the shower to maintain the softness in my feet. Because at one point I noticed that my heels were starting to feel a little rough, so doing this every day in the shower has helped a lot. I would also recommend sleeping with Vaseline and socks on your feet if you're experiencing the same issues. So now that my feet are nice and soft, I'm taking my cuticle pusher and pushing them down. Since I soaked for my feet for 10 minutes, my cuticles are nice and soft, so removing them is really easy. I think the key to removing your cuticles is getting them soft first. So you can do this by soaking your feet like how I did, or you can try getting a cuticle softener to soften them up. I've never tried a cuticle softener, so like I don't really know what to say about them, but I know people who do and they like them. So if you want to go out and try a cuticle softener, by all means do so, and come back to this video and let me know how it was in the comments. Before I start painting, I'm taking my acetone and putting some in a clear container. I'm going to use this to clean up any messes later on. To prepare my nails for the polish, I'm cleaning them with a paper towel and some alcohol. I'm also putting on this nail divider. I didn't use this last week, and let me tell you guys, it was a mess. My toes, since they were so close together, they kept bumping into one another, and I had to keep taking off the polish and redoing it. Now I'm applying my base coat. I'm making sure to use a thin layer. Using thin layers will prevent any messes, and it will also make the polish last longer. After every coat, you want to place your toes in the UV light for 60 seconds. Now I'm applying my first layer of polish. I'm using this beautiful blue color that's perfect for the summer. A tip I have for painting is don't paint on your cuticles. This will cause it to look really messy. We want our nails to look as professional as possible, so instead paint right above the cuticle. I cannot believe I sacrificed my eyeshadow brush for this, but it was worth it. Cleaning up the outside of your nails with acetone and a brush will make them look way more professional. After I'm done painting, I clean up my nails using a paper towel and alcohol to remove any sticky residue from the polish. Now I'm applying my cuticle oil to nourish and hydrate my cuticles. I just want to say that all of this stuff is an investment. So you're going to spend some money to get everything you need, but afterwards you will save even more money. I've had my UV light and some of the gel polish for about a year and a half, and it still works great. I'll leave the UV light, the foot spa, and the polish that I use linked down below. Everything else can be purchased at a beauty supply store. Now that both my feet are done, I'm taking my Nivea cream and massaging it into my feet. And by the way, the Nivea cream is such a good cream. It's so thick and hydrating, and I absolutely love it. But if you don't have Nivea cream, you can take whatever cream you like and put that on to hydrate your feet. So this is the final look. I absolutely love how it came out. If you ask me, it looks like I came straight out of the salon without paying the salon price. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you aren't subscribed. And also click that little bell so you guys can be notified every time that I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!